Hey illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a snowman character step by step. So let's get started. All right illustrators, here we go with our snowman character. We're going to start from the top with this one, with his top hat. So we're going to draw a square that's a little bit skinnier at the bottom than it is at the top. We're going to have that square sitting in a very thin oval that we'll draw around it like this for the top hat. And then we'll start with the top of our snowman's body with its head. So we want to make a circle right there underneath the hat. And the snowman is wearing a scarf, so we'll add the scarf underneath. Like I said, we're starting at the top and just working our way through each piece as we get towards the bottom. So for the scarf, we'll put two little lines and then combine with a third. And the tail of the scarf will stick out slightly with another little square there. And then the body of our snowman, come down, across, and back up. Now our snowman's going to be sitting in the snow, so we want to add a couple sets of curved lines along the bottom here, and that will make it look like this snowman is sitting in the snow. So now we can prepare for all of our detail work. We'll start with the arms. Just a couple simple lines. 1, 2. And we'll add 2 dots for the eyes. 1. And 2. Two little eyebrows. And one of my favorite things about snowmen is their really fun and funny carrot noses. So we'll add a carrot here that starts just a little bit to the left of the center and points all the way out that way. And we'll add a couple of detail lines here. And we'll also be using, like we used dots for the eyes here, like their kohl. We'll use that same technique with slightly smaller dots for the mouth, with 3 dots that move upward in the shape of a smile. You can add more than 3 if you'd like to. So there's the drawing of our snowman character. Now we get to add some color. And even though snow and snowmen are typically shown as white, you can use a little shading with some color to give it a little bit of color on there. So you can use colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. illustrators, there we have our snowman character. The very last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, everybody.